this is Hans the Ramen Raider with another thing I'm gonna do with noodles and bread. Yep, today I'm going to make some fancy schmancy stuffed bread with this. Have you ever seen this before? I bet you have. Yeah, it seems like it'll be fun. Dough made in here, bread baked in the oven. Let's do this. Here we are. It looks like it kind of decided it wanted to fly the coop a little bit. Let's see how it does. Looks bready. It's got noodles and cheese and seasonings and Alfredo sauce. Where'd it go? I put a ton of stuff in here. Interesting. I think what happened is a lot of the noodles lost it's like it absorbed the color of these noodles. It's really strange. How strange. It like almost all of it went to the top. Let's give it a try. Well, it certainly tastes like Shin Black, along with a lot of spring onion. Getting notes of the cheese and just a hair of Alfredo taste. Yeah, not bad. What do I do with it? I've got an idea. Came out kind of weird, but I guess not in a bad way. I just added a little bit of mayo, fried egg, and some fresh vegetables. So let's give it a try like this. Oh, I also used a blowtorch on it. You can never have enough blowtorch. It's a nice touch. It's not bad. I mean, really. Vegetables are nice too. Can't beat vegetables or an egg yolk. Alright, so I've been bouncing between doing weird stuffed bread and pizzas lately. This is like just a lot of fun. I enjoy it. I hope you do too in some way, shape, or form. Yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.